We got a bunch of pipe that everything's got to be hard pipe in here because the client doesn't want no junction boxes anywhere. So all our pipe needs to go from this point all the way to access panel, all the way to the back. As you can see, we're under here with all our pipe, our 3/4 pipe. We got some speakers going on the wall, and everything's supposed to be hard pipe. We got some thermostats, low voltage wire for our RTU units. There's some junction boxes on the bottom, and that's gonna be for our lighting mirrors. And we got our track lights, which are these ones right here, that we already have wired. We already built them, and we're wiring them up right now. We got another set of tracks here. Then we got our pipe continuously on top, all the way to the back. This is gonna be the dressing rooms back here in this area. We got 2 speakers there, and we got 3 lighting mirrors that are gonna go on the bottom. We got a dressing room there, dressing room there. Got more piping on this side of the building. As you can see, that's the only spacing that they gave us to run our pipe because they don't want no exposed pipe, so that's where we have to keep everything. And we're gonna give you another update in a month and a half, see where we're at.